Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The statement of numerical problem that we are going to solve is in the return stroke of a typical lightning bolt. Lightning bolt means a thunder stroke, that is electric discharge from clouds. In the return stroke of a typical lightning bolt, a current of 2.5 into 10 to 4 coulombs per second flows for 20 microseconds. How much charge is transferred in this event? According to this statement, we have to calculate the amount of charge that causes current of this amount. So we note the given data that is in this statement. The amount of current is given as 2.5 into 10 to 4. I can write it as 2.4, 2.5 10 to 4 amperes. The SI unit of current is amperes, that is defined as coulombs per second. Time is given as 20 microseconds, that is 20 into 10 to minus 6 seconds, and we have to calculate the amount of charge. As we know that the current is defined as a rate of flow of charge. From this statement, we can write charge as the product of current and time. To calculate charge, we put the value of current and time. The value of current is 2.5 into 10 to 4 and time is given as 20 microseconds. Now multiplying these two terms, we get 50 into 10 to 4 minus 6, that becomes 50 into 10 to minus 2, and it can be written as 50 over 100, that is 0.5. So the required amount of charge is given as 0.5 coulombs. Coulomb is SI unit of charge. So according to this statement, when current of 2.5 10 to 4 ampere flows in 20 microseconds, then amount of charge is given as 0.5 coulombs. This was the required solution of our numerical problem.